time ever, sending power to that winch. Okay, Monday, car needs dyno Tuesday. We're pushing it on time. So we gotta put suspension back in. So I'm pretty much all set. The injectors are in. I didn't film it. I don't like filming first time things a whole lot, and frankly I'm just crappy at it. But the injector rail's back in, everything's plugged up, ready, good to go. I am not gonna start it until they're ready to tune it. Got the FTP lid on, 85 millimeter Delphi mass airflow on, wire harness on. I gotta oil my K&N filter, and then that will be on. Here's some goodies I got from Sam Strano. They're conveniently local enough that I drove and got them so I could do everything today. But I got some Coney Yellows, the on-car adjustable, his ever famous white springs for the 550 pound for the front, and I think 150 in the rear. And nobody seems to stock much for these cars anymore, so KYB got the upper little rubbers, and Monroe for the strut mounts, unfortunately. So that's what we got now, but I really want to put new stuff in because my old stuff is kind of worn down. And I threw some gray primer on these just to take away the age. I'm going to clean up under the strut body. I'm not too worried. I know you can't see them, but I don't want them to rust and like rust the car up. And at some point I'm going to go tubular K-member and get the nice upper control arms and lowers and everything. I want to do the whole thing the right way, and it's mainly just so it handles good. But really, I just want to get those pieces from UMI because they look good. I also got what is called the master cylinder brace. So apparently, there's a lot of flex we can have in the. So that's going to tie into these bolts here, brace up against here, and I have an adjuster screw that'll go to it. Should be quick and easy. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get these struts built and put in the damn car and back on the ground. And tomorrow morning, tuning. So satisfying. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, it's Tuesday, dyno day. Putzing along on this back road here with a bug-covered windshield because I hit a lovely swarm. This guy is going slow as all dog. But the car is in tow. Hasn't fallen off yet, so that's always good. Yeah, get her to the shop. Hopefully everything goes good. Getting it loaded on Dyno and find out our numbers. Get her dialed in. Check back. Damn. I'd say it's very eager to go chirp in a third now. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I actually don't hate riding in this now. It actually rides really nice. Holy shit. That got squirrely. Self-relearn. Yeah, it could still be learned too. The thing that really sucks is I'm stuck like this. Can't go get food easy. Have to walk to go get coffee. Go for a ride. Oh yeah. I can't hear a freaking thing. I can honestly say I feel bad for every one of you with me here in this drive-thru right now. How does that exhaust smell? Let's see, where is Cade? Oh, hi. Oh, yeah? Yep, good job. Like $2,000 taillights now. I know you mean well, you're just making me have a heart attack.